Ooh, flavor, baby. Alright guys, how are you guys doing? Now, we've been doing a lot of meat on my content lately, and so I thought this week, let's go green. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to make a very simple Chinese style stir-fried vegetables. Okay, now first of all, for stir-fried vegetables, we'll be using a variety of different vegetables. So the first step is for us to prep our vegetables. Yeah, celery, I'll be using 1 stalk of celery. Now what we have to do, very important, is to peel the fibers off the celery. Yeah. Now these, if you do not peel these off, they will be stuck in your teeth. Cut them into nice thick chunks. There we go, celery to a side. Now I've got snow peas. Yeah. So what you're going to do with the snow peas is just peel back, peel front. So you look for the tip where it sort of goes this way, sort of like a hook, right? So what you do is you pull backwards and remove this fiber, and then from the other tip you break it off and you pull the fibers out as well. Over on the side here, I'm just roasting some macadamia nuts because I love a bit of crunch in my vegetables and for a little bit of luxury. Now if you can't get macadamia, you can always swap it out with cashew nuts. Alright, so we've done our snow peas. Next up, cauliflower. The other reason why I love making this recipe is also because it's a perfect recipe for you to clear out your fridge. You know, if you've got like half bunch of cauliflower or broccoli, this is a good time to use them up, and you know, or whatever else, corn, baby corn. There we go. You want to cut them into sort of same size florets so they cook evenly. All right, so I've got a pot of water here that's boiling away. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to this, and this will give your vegetable a nice shine. Yeah, because what we're going to do first is we're going to blanch these vegetables. Add a little bit of salt. There's one thing a lot of people don't do, is salting your water where you blanch your vegetables in, because if not, your vegetables are going to be tasteless on the inside. Okay, and because cauliflower is white, so cauliflower goes in first. While the cauliflower is inside, let's prep the other ingredient. We've got broccoli. I like sort of nice big chunks of broccoli. Yeah, keeps the texture in. All right, so now because I will not be shocking them in ice water, yeah, so I'm going to undercook these cauliflower, or rather all these vegetables, because I'm going to be cooking them right away after blanching. If you're going to be preparing this for to be cooked later on, then yes, you'll need to blanch these vegetables in ice water to stop the cooking process. There we go. So I've undercooked it. You can see it's still kind of crunchy and a bit raw. So by the time I'm ready to cook this, it'll be just nice. Next, we're going in with our broccoli. Now, broccoli literally cooks in seconds. Yeah, you want to maintain that nice crunch of the broccoli, so don't overcook it. Once you see the color turn, yeah, you are almost ready to take it out. There we go. I'm removing it already. Once again, I'm undercooking these vegetables because, yeah, I'm not going to be shocking them in ice water. Next up, we have snow peas. There we go. Once the color changes, a nice sort of darker green, or rather a nice vibrant green, we're removing them, putting it on the side. Again, this is also because we want to maintain a nice crunch on all our vegetables. The celery, the snow peas, cauliflower. Now, we have carrot. So, one little thing, if you want to sort of make a little design on your carrot, is cut this indents into the carrots on the side. Yeah, so you can do this on all 4 sides. So you get a little design. Normally when I'm at home, I don't bother. And I've saved the carrot for last because the carrot contains keratin, and that's going to stain the water. So you do not want to sort of blanch your other vegetables in stained water. So you've got nice little design. And in the water we go. So carrot is going to take a minute because carrot is hard. Now, what we're going to do while we wait for the carrot, we're going to prep our garlic. So I've got garlic here that I'm just going to cut into thick chunks. And the reason I'm cutting them into nice thick chunks is because you want to be able to bite into the garlic that's sort of you know, golden, nice, yeah, when we fry them. Now, carrot's done. Also, you don't want to overcook your carrot and get it soggy and soft. You want to have a nice crunch to it as well. Heat up your wok. Now, we're going in with some oil. All right, so garlic in. There we go, nice. Once you throw the garlic in, you get that nice aromas of garlic. We're getting this garlic nice and golden because that will give out all that flavor. And you remember why I said we cut it into chunks so that you can sort of use your chopsticks and sort of bite into this wonderful, fragrant garlic bits that's being fried golden. Now, garlic's ready to go, vegetables in. I have here some capsicum. Capsicum goes in. Mushrooms. Yeah, these are baby Iringi mushrooms. There we go, nice. We're going to be adding in a little bit of chicken stock powder. This is in replacement of MSG, or rather, you can use other flavoring. In a lot of Chinese restaurants, they use MSG in a stir-fry vegetable. You can replace this with different sauces. You can add in oyster sauce, soy sauce as well. But what I find when you add in those sauces is it darkens the color of the vegetables, and that's not exactly what I want. Okay, some salt, white pepper. Lovely. When you're making Chinese-style stir-fried vegetables, everything is about maintaining the freshness of the vegetable. So it's not cooked till it's soggy. You still get that nice crunch. And to be frank, I find it one of the healthiest ways to stir-fry vegetables. Yeah, because you're not cooking it full through, so hence you're still retaining a lot of the nutrients from the vegetables. All right, so here I have a little bit of cornstarch solution mixed with a little bit of water, and in this goes. Now this, what happens now is this is going to be that sauce for your vegetable. Yeah, it's going to get all that flavor to stick onto the vegetable. Now, vegetables done, we're adding in toasted macadamia nuts. And usually in a typical Chinese restaurant, what they'll do is, at this point, this is when they'll add in the Chinese rice wine. Yeah, but I'm tempted to do so, but if I do so, the guys here won't eat, you see, because my crew's Muslim. That smell. Look at that beautiful color retention on the broccoli. This is what a stir fry is all about, guys. Fresh, crunchy, full of texture. Right, guys, so this is really a simple vegetable stir fry where it's quick to prepare, you maintain all the nutrients in the vegetable that you want for your body, and it's delicious to eat. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you think it's added value to you, do please click the like and subscribe button, not forgetting the little bell notification on the side, and I will see you next week, ladies and gentlemen. Please cook this for your family, and you'll thank me later. You get some of those nuts inside. You're like, whoa, wasn't expecting that.